No, push your hair bar down.
Get it. Very good. Wow, good. Perfect. Wow. Wow, buddy.
Wow, buddy.
Have a seat, so let's show you what we did. So we just got out of the surgery room with Adrian, where total operating time was about 5-6 hours.
Huge case.
Huge case.
And huge area.
And a huge area. Went excellent. Front to back, you won't see this anywhere in the world. We took them all the way around. I'm just going to show the camera a little bit. All the way around. Nice donor area. Went through where he had the FUE. So obviously it's better for us to do a linear incision versus all these multiple incisions. We're able to get much more hair in a fraction of the time. And as you can see, we filled his entire head, which would never happen with an FUE. I mean, they've got a fraction of the hair with an FUE. So I'm just going to turn Adrian towards the camera here. And so, how was your day?
Great.
Yeah, everything went well?
No pain. Super relaxing. Super easy.
How did this procedure compare to your FUE?
Oh, the FUE is super tedious. The position is horrible. This hour, 10 hours. This time, only 5 hours.
So you had a good experience?
Good.
How, no pain?
No pain.
Excellent.
No DC, nothing.
Well, you were a great patient.
Great result.
And I'm excited. We got about 80 centimeters of hair.
Wow.
It's an amazing amount of hair.
Super happy. Super happy.
Congratulations.
Congratulations with you.
All right, we're going to follow up with you, and thank you for allowing us the video. And Adrian's going to let us take pictures weekly, so we'll be able to follow his progress as the hair grows.
My face now.
Congratulations.
Thank you, Doc.